Well, here we are again, and this time we're going to practice the letter U. And the letter U, it's a lowercase u, starts in the middle line, goes down, around, up, and down. And that's the letter U. Just like in the other videos, I'm going to write the letter, I'm going to say the name of the letter 2 times, and then have you do it on your paper. So make sure that you have some paper and a pencil or a pen or a marker. And if you don't have lined paper, that's okay. Use blank paper and just write the letter after I do it and say the name of the letter 2 times. And write it big. Write it nice and big. Okay? Here we go. U. U. Now you write it on your paper and say the name of the letter twice. Okay, here we go. U. U. Write the letter and say the name of the letter twice, 2 times. Okay, here we go. U. U. Write the letter and say the name of the letter 2 times. Okay, we'll do it again. U. U. And now you do it on your paper. Okay, here we go. U. U. And you write the letter U on your paper and say the name of the letter 2 times. You're doing great. Okay, one last time here. U. U. And you write it on your paper, write the letter U on your paper, and say the name of the letter 2 times. Okay, when the video is done, I want you to go ahead and write the letter U 5 more times. 5 more times on your own, and just like I'm doing now, you'll go U. U. And go ahead and say it out loud, the name of the letter out loud, and do that 5 times in the space that you have left. That's all for right now. I'll be back with another letter in a few moments. Bye-bye.